জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
What is this? Why is the police vehicle over here? Why is police here? Did they suspect something? Oh no. I have to escape from here. Pratima, can you please get the door? Please go check if it's Tripto.
Hey there. Hey, how is Nayan?
Calm down. The venom has successfully been extracted, but Nayan hasn't regained consciousness yet. The snake was quite venomous. Only after tomorrow morning's test, they will be able to say if she has any internal damage or not.
Oh Lord, why did you do this to the girl? She saves everyone's lives. Why did you get her in such a danger?
Grandma, please don't be so disheartened. Nothing will happen to Nayan. She will be all right.
Pratima, hasn't Dripto returned yet?
No, Deepu hasn't returned yet.
I don't understand anything. Why is Dripto getting so late? Where did he go to look for Nayan? And why isn't he available on his phone?
No. You don't need to move the patient anywhere. The thing is, alarm has stopped. Actually, someone might have lit a matchstick or something else. Hence, the alarm went off. The alarm was due to the smoke. There wasn't any fire. What is his condition now?
Thank God we don't have to move him. His condition is not at all good. He wouldn't survive if we would have to move him. Did you find any trace of his family?
Actually, we could unlock the phone. We called up a number that we had found in his call list, but the person couldn't hear. And his phone has been switched off since then. Let's see if we can find any other number. We have found another number to which frequent communication has happened. The name is Jeet. He might be a friend or a relative.
Jeet, please do something. Please bring back my Deepu. I just can't bear his absence.
Hello? What? Police? Yes, this is Dripto's number. No, what happened to him?
He has met a fatal accident.
His condition is unstable.
Come to the city hospital at once.
City hospital? Oh Lord. Nayan is also admitted to the same hospital.
Jeet, what happened? Why are you looking so disturbed, huh?
Dripto has had a terrible accident and I have to go to the hospital.
What did you say?
What? How did it happen? How?
I don't know. The police didn't say anything. I have to go right now.
No, Deepu, no. You can't leave us this way. No, you can't. No.
Keep quiet. Just shut your mouth. Why would he leave us? Why did you just say that? Why tell us?
Oh no. I think I made a mistake by saying this. No. I didn't want to say that, Pratima. Actually,
Sanjukta!
Nayan is in a critical condition. In this situation, don't say anything negative about Deepu. Nothing has happened to him. Nothing can happen to him.
That's the cause of concern, aunt. You're unnecessarily getting annoyed with Sanjukta. Who is going to save Dripto's life? Nayan herself is fighting for her life.
Strange. All the patients were brought back to the ward. Why isn't this patient back in the cabin yet? What boy? What boy? What boy?
Hey, can't you drive faster? We have to go far away.
There seems to be a traffic jam ahead. What's the reason? What's the cause of this traffic jam?
Hey, stop, stop, stop! What's the matter now?
There are police ahead.
Police?
Yes, they are checking all the vehicles.
What will happen now? We will get arrested.
Nothing will happen to Nayan. She will be all right.
Listen, Pratima, we all want that nothing wrong should happen to Nayan. But does anything depend on what we want? Weren't you all saying just a while ago that Nayan's condition is not stable? She's unconscious. In that case,
No. Nayan's life has to be saved. She knows that she won't be able to save Deepu's life if she doesn't live. Rangana rushed towards the temple room. Please answer her prayers. Oh Lord.
And Pratima, we really don't have any time to waste. Please, I have to reach hospital as soon as possible. Piku, you're coming? No.
What kind of person are you? Nayan and Deepu are in grave danger. Won't you go to see them once?
No, I won't go. And there is a reason why I'm not going.
What reason, Piku? Deepu had asked your mom and your uncle to leave this house. Are you going to give that excuse?
No, Grandma. I won't give that excuse. I'm just waiting for one person. Let's see when that person returns.
Who are you waiting for?
Jasmine.
what do you mean by that? What are you trying to say? Are you waiting for Jasmine? What does that mean?
My logic is very simple. Aren't you all noticing something? We all are here, but Jasmine isn't here.
That's right. You are right. Where is Jasmine? Huh?
Piku is right. Pratima, I don't have a good feeling about this. Look, Deepu had a terrible accident today. Nayan also got bitten by a snake today. And today, amidst so many accidents, Jasmine is nowhere to be found. She is missing.
Yes, mother. Jasmine is so cunning that everything is possible for her. My intuition is saying that she's definitely behind all this.
Sanjukta, it's good that Piku has mentioned Jasmine. It'll be perfect if we can shift the total allegation on Jasmine, then we will be saved. No one will be able to blame us then. No one will be able to point the finger at us.
Mom, I think Pratima is right. If that's not the case, then why isn't Jasmine here?
Exactly. Oh my, she's such a dangerous girl. I couldn't imagine that she was so aggressive. I mean, it's impossible to imagine that so much cruelty is hidden behind her pretty face.
Exactly. That's exactly what it is. Fine, let Jasmine come back home today. I will teach her a good lesson. She just destroyed our family.
Why are you talking negatively for so long? What has been destroyed? Nothing has been destroyed. Lord is above us. They both will be all right. They will be fine. We won't let anything happen to them. They will get cured.
I also want that nothing wrong should happen. Please don't misunderstand me. I just wanted to say that Jasmine has wreaked havoc on our family. I won't spare her today. Absolutely not.
The question of sparing comes later. If she is anyway involved in this accident, do you all think she will come back here? And Jasmine is intelligent enough to sense that we will suspect her. And that's why she will never come here.
Piku, do you think that she can escape? Sanjukta will surely find her. Mark my words. Am I right, Sanjukta?
Yes. Yes, Mom, I'll surely find about Jasmine and punish her. I promise you, Mom. I don't want to think about that now, Sanjukta. The one who did this must get punished. Oh Lord, please bring back the two children home safe and healthy. I don't want anything else, oh Lord, nothing else.
Grandma, please don't lose hope yet. Nothing will go wrong. I assure you that. I'll go to the hospital. I'll leave right now. Finally, Piku, are you coming?
I too will come along. Sanjukta, pray to the Lord so that I can bring back some good news. Let's go. Come on, let's not delay anymore. Come on.
Boss, what will happen now? If we get caught, we will end up in jail.
Hey, jail is much better. But if we couldn't accomplish the task that Jasmine has assigned to us, do you know what will happen? Jasmine is very dangerous. We must get rid of this girl somewhere far away. Hey, turn around the vehicle.
Oh, Jasmine is a dangerous girl. She had planned to kill me? But Jasmine knows my place. Since she has already attempted to kill me once, what's the guarantee that she won't try to kill me again? No, I have to escape. I have to escape somewhere right now. I don't trust Jasmine. What is this? How come you are here? What's in that packet? Jasmine, what's in that packet? What you brought in that box? Tell me. Jasmine, keep it away. Or else I'll scream. Jasmine, take it away. Take it away. People will gather, Jasmine. If everyone comes to know that you had let a snake out in my room, then... No!
Have one, Shomak. It's very delicious. I promise you.
Boss, we can't take the shortcut. Police are checking everywhere. It's completely jammed. We won't be able to move the girl anywhere before morning.
Yes, that's what it seems.
What will happen, boss? What should we do?
As of now, we have to hide the girl somewhere. Hey, drive faster! Stop, stop, stop! Come carefully. Look around before you move. Bring her quickly. Look there is a boat over there. Hide this girl in the boat and let's go and look for the road so that we can escape with the girl. Did you all understand? Hurry up, let's do it. You be on guard. We'll come back soon.
Okay, boss.
Have one, Shomak. Have a sweet. Eat, please.
No. There's a poison in that sweet. Take it away, take it away.
There is no poison in this. Take a bite. It's very delicious. I promise you.
I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Take it away. Take it away.
Shomak, do you believe now? There's no poison. Shomak, I don't have any plan to kill you.
It's a lie. You're lying. You had locked me in my room and had let a snake out in it.
Yes, I did. But I did not want to kill you, Shumak. Why would I kill you? Tell me. I love you after all. I wanted to kill the one who has saved your life.
What do you mean?
Yes, Shumak. Did you realize that she can foresee the future?
Don't get on the chair. I warn you, don't get on the chair. You will be bitten by a snake if you get on the chair. Jump over it. Jump over the snake and come out. Come out at once. Please listen to me.
Oh my lord. I had sensed it, but how is it possible?
I don't know how is it possible. But if she remains alive, then the obstacles on my path can never be removed. So I made the plan to remove her from this world.
Have you made a plan?
Yes, Shumak. And I had just used you a little as a part of that plan. She would arrive there to save your life after foreseeing danger to you. And the snake would bite her. And exactly that has happened. She's fighting for her life now.
What? Did the snake bite her?
Yes. And that has made my job easier. And now if you don't betray me, then my wish will get fulfilled.